Welcome back to our RV renovation series. Today we'll be installing carpet and floor. If you have been keeping up with us, you'll know that we found a leak at the top of our slide that led to us having to technically replace the whole entire slide after getting quoted thousands of dollars to fix that so-called super slide is what they called it. We decided to do it ourselves. Check that video out here. In this video, you'll see us shopping for our brand new carpet and installing our brand new flooring. And you guys have got to check this flooring out. It is awesome and very easy to install. Link will be below. Okay, so in Lowe's, and I am looking at the options. Usually, this is the one that was used the last time. This 1/8 regular RV wall board. But I'm thinking if I choose this one, it is already painted and I can make it out of like a decorative wall. So this is a smaller one for 1603. So it's already painted and everything. Same with, so I think I'm gonna go with this. Be smart. Which actually leads me right over here to the carpet section. Then I needed 42 by 10. So I was gonna look at the accent walls. This is something that I had in the cart, but might be able to eliminate this due to the fact that the wall itself already comes accented. So, and then it was $44. So may not have to go that route. So far, 1/8 board, wood glue, cause redid the indoor or outdoor kitchen, and then insulation for the wall. So now carpet. Don't know where my measurements are, so I'm gonna guess what the measurements are going to be. So decided to go with carpet. Let's see, some good prices. About 100 square feet is what I'm guessing. And these are premium carpets. We're not putting premium carpet in an RV. So I'm looking more so at the dollar range, because it's an RV that the kids are going in and out of anyway, that will end up dirty. And it looks like we're getting higher, because now we're in the $5, $6, $7 range, which is a no-go for what I'm trying to do. Looks like the darkest they have is magnetic gray, which is not bad. $3.49 per square feet. Wait, that is actually pretty nice, but it'll be a challenge to do it in the bedrooms because it's so many cuts and turns in the bedroom. It'll be pretty hard. So I guess we'll go and get the $2.78 one. Yeah, but darker. Then they have that one for $128, $138. Okay, so after frying our brains and looking at many options, we finally decided something affordable and that'll fit us and our needs for the RV. So they basically had to get the right roll down. They cut it, they rolled it up for us, and then after that we just put it on our cart, packed it up, and we headed to the house. Now it's pouring down raining and we have the board on the back of the truck. My little accent wall gone, y'all, but it's all good. It's all good. So here we are the next day. We are going to the storage unit, is where we keep our RV, just for safe measures. We're hooking up to it and we're gonna go ahead and take it to the house so that we can get this install started. Let's go. I'm at least gonna try to put in one piece. We'll see. Alright, so what I did was basically measure the dimensions of the carpet for the slide in the garage because I have more space. And then yes, I use wire cutters. I'm a strong believer in using what I got before I spend money on anything to basically get the results I wanted. As you can see, I got a perfect cut by doing that. From there, I just basically made sure everything was lined up correctly. And then I nailed the corners of the carpet down just so that if I needed to check for water damage, I can easily just unnail it or unscrew it, whatever you want to call it, and check for water damage at any time. All right, y'all, so we ended up getting these floors right from off of Amazon. I will drop the link below. They are black peel and stick floors. Kind of busted the box, so hopefully everything is good to go there. But yeah, we're gonna put them down in the bunkhouse and see what we can do. So we'll be putting these, excuse the mess, as y'all see we're still working on this. Go look at the other videos to see exactly what's going on, but this is what we're working on today. So this is the bunkhouse area. We pulled up the carpet. The kids, y'all know how kids is, nasty. So we're in the cheering it. We're gonna put down peel and stick vinyl tile floors, which are waterproof. So yeah, that's what's gonna go on in this room. We got all the bedding and stuff out. Everything is clear, and yeah, don't mind the mess. We still have to clean up and stuff. So right now we're just kind of doing finishing touches and putting down flooring and fixing a few more things, and yeah. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is what the vinyl siding looks like. Actual ridges on it. Alright, y'all, so quick reminder, this is not a tutorial. We don't really know what we're doing. We're just going with the flow. So we basically removed all of these little tiny nails that were in the floor so that we could have a smooth finish like so. It didn't come out bad at all. So after we got done with the kids' bunkhouse, we decided to keep going. We had a few pieces left over. We went ahead and put it in the living room just to see how it would look. We liked it. We went back to Amazon and we purchased some more of this peel and stick flooring. So we decided to, yeah, keep going and do the entire floor. Now we was sent this fan by RG. It's a camping fan and it does quite a bit. Link will be below. Check it out. We use it all the time. All right, so we do have the floor about 98% complete minus the real close edges. If you look close, we have to get real close to the edges that's near the stove. But other than that, I think this floor looks excellent for what we paid for. Again, the link will be in the description. Let us know what you think about these floors and what type of flooring do you have in your RV. Well, time to pack it up for today. That is enough work for us. We will continue during another episode. We'd like to thank everybody who's been showing your continued support. More videos to come, of course. And yeah, be safe out on the road. Catch you later. Bye.